What's happening, internet land? Welcome to Car News Daily. I'm at Tint World, and I got the before and after of the tints, just to see what this looks like. We got stock windshield, side mirror, back. Hold on, I got some tints. 100%. I'm going on 30% over here, 5% over here, 5% over here. How's it going, internet land? Welcome to Car News Daily. I got the ceramic tint reveal for the daytime right now. And we got limos on the back, limo tint 5%. Got 30% tints on the side. Of course, I got the carbon fiber mirrors on the side. Threw those on a while ago. I got this limo tint 6-inch strip on the top. That's the biggest you can get. You go any bigger than that, it's illegal. And got the old Instagram sticker. Gonna have to rip that off, put the new one on because I changed the Instagram name. Look for that soon on the next video. I'm gonna throw on the Facebook fan page. Got over 40,000 followers. Instagram over 16,000. And I'm gonna throw on the YouTube. And I got a little subscribers on there too. So look for that in the next video. VK2 taillights on the back, I installed those. And I think I'm about to throw on a different diffuser soon. Any comments? I wanna find out what kind of wheels you people think I should get, so let me know. Should I go all black? Or should I go chrome? Let me know in the comments.